Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A94, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now you can see I do have a pattern set, or I used to have it set. This is a verification process, and if I close this, it will also tell me to verify it using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, the only thing that we will need for this process is a SIM card with a pin on it. So I have one right over here. Now, if you have a SIM card without a pin, just pop it into a different phone, set up a pin on it, and then insert it back into this phone. So I'm gonna do that right now. There we go. And as you can see, once you pop in your SIM card, it will tell you to verify your PIN. Now, let's see, do I need to put in the PIN? Yep, I do. So, put in your PIN. This will then bring up this window right here, which you want to drag down. This will pull out the notifications, and from here, tap on a settings button, which right now it's in the language of the SIM card for some stupid reason. Even though the device was set to be in English, but when you pop in your SIM card, if you're in a different country than, for instance, US or England or whatever, it most likely will change the language to whatever region you are in. Now, because this is right now in Polish, and I'm assuming majority of you don't really understand this language, I'm gonna quickly change it to something that I have chosen throughout the setup process, which was completely effing disregarded. Of course, it also removed the English, because why wouldn't it? There we go. So now I get my language back. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to the main settings page, so where we're supposed to be. And from here, what you want to do is just simply scroll all the way down, select additional settings, scroll down, select backup and reset. Erase all data, erase all data, again erase all data twice more, and this will now begin a factory reset of the device. So this will probably take a couple minutes to finish up. Give it some time. Once it's completed, we will be greeted with the Android setup screen, but at that point the device will be fully unlocked, so you can set up your phone however you like. Now, I will go through the setup on the video, but I'll go through a really quick one, skipping everything that I can. I'll also take out a SIM card right now, just because it already served its purpose. So anyway, I'm gonna let this run and come back once it's finished. Okay, so as you can see, factory reset is now finished. So we'll quickly go through the setup like I mentioned before. And there we go. So as you can see, the device is now fully unlocked. There was no need to verify anything while going through the setup. Anyway, that is how we can bypass the Google verification on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.